Thank you for joining us today at ArtSphere. Today we're going to be making an airplane. You're going to be using a piece of paper and you're going to use it as a vertical. We're going to be making our plane by folding our paper in half. We're going to unfold it. Then we're going to take our top sides and fold it to the center. So we're going to take the right side and the left side and fold it to the center. So we have two triangles. We're now going to fold from that top corner in. And the top corner center in. We're going to just fold because that point is very important, that they're very creased. And now we are going to fold our plane back on both sides. This is where it's a little bit creative. People like to fold it a little bit differently. And the angles that they fold it make for different flying. Another thing that people will do for their planes is they will add a paper clip here or glue or even a stapler so they have the maximum flying capability. So thank you for joining us at ArtSphere. We'd love to have you decorate yours. Maybe you'll decorate your plane like a Thunderbird or a Red Angel and share your airplane with us in honor of all those health professionals who are out there. Thank you.